So many audit firms established by the members. Our fellow member, Mr. Shafiqur Rahman, he established his own firm. Then there is one UAE member, qualified member. I don't know, he was busy, I invited him. Mr. Mansoor Al-Mullah is working in Dubai Police. My student qualified the exam under my guidance. He also opened an audit firm in the name of Excellence Auditing. And my co-colleagues, Mr. Abdullah Burhan is sitting, and Mr. Imtiaz, they have established their organization, Al Salam Accounting LLC. So 3-4 firms are there. And one more thing which I want to share with you, that Mr. Imtiaz, can you show your face? Mr. Imtiaz is the first person who got the visa, on his passport with the designation of Chartered Accountant. Immigration visa. His visa copy, I told that, Mr. Imtiaz, please come in my presentation and bring your original passport also. I am sure that this passport will be in his pocket. So he got the visa of a chartered accountant on the basis of CPA Pakistan qualification. And you can see here the visa status, Muhasib Kanuni it is called in Arabic, and he got the visa is stamped on the basis of that qualification. Now, he is also the member of many other qualifications, but the first qualification, professional qualification, was CPA. He is also my student. Actually, what I will say here, everyone, because I started that. The coaching and training, I started that with my co-colleagues. So, 10 batches, 5 years. And even now we crossed 300 members, qualified members, and around 250 which studied with our team. And just I was sharing one, I want to share one news with you, that I was talking a couple of days ago with the management, that now the time came that we have to conduct a graduation ceremony, convocation in UAE, because we have around 300 qualified members serving this country. And inshallah, we are working on that, and very soon, inshallah, this will be a reality, and we will arrange it. The international recognition. There is one institute, a recognized institute in Europe, Cyprus Institute. ICPAP signed an MOU, and our qualified members, they can get an MBA degree, or they will grant an MBA degree to the CPA Pakistan members on the payment of their prescribed fee and submission of a thesis of 10,000 words on the topic which they will give. Now, those who don't have postgraduate qualification, there is an opportunity. They will complete just the CPA papers. They will not only get PGDPA, but they will also get CPA, and if they want to do MBA, but they want to get, they can get by submission of a thesis. And this letter from that is with me. And the link I will show to you, the website link. This is the website link of Cyprus Institute of Marketing. Cyprus, Europe. This letter is with me. Now, here, this is the details on their website, and it is mentioned CIMBVI, Cyprus Institute of Marketing, BVI means British Virgin Island, is a proud partner of ICPAP, offering an opportunity to ICPAP members to gain an MBA through a top-up arrangement. And that top-up arrangement I have already mentioned to you. Submission of their fee, submission of the thesis, and then they will get. And it is approved here. Here, in Europe, as well as in Pakistan also. One of our candidate, one of qualified member of CPA, he got that degree. Today, I invited him also, but due to weekend and busy schedule, he is absent. His name is Imtiaz Ahmed Mukhtar. Cadet, even his registration number, they have mentioned ICPAP, which means that he qualified the ICPAP. He was my student in graduation, and then he started a CPA program. He qualified that, and after that CPA, after the completion of that CPA, he applied and he completed this thesis and the requirements successfully, and they granted him the certificate. And he is working as an accounts manager in one of the organization of Lutha Group, SS Lutha. And I think it's 896 or something. If you will go to the website of ICPAP, www.icpap.com.pk, this is the website, and when you will go to the download members directory, the details of members you will find there. In the members directory, in the UAE list, I think 800 and something, 826 or something. My membership number, I am on the fourth number. You will find my name, Sayyid Imran Hasnain Jafri, and his name you will find, I think, membership number. One of the oldest, he is also. When I started my coaching here, in the first or second batch he completed. First batch, because Mansoor, he recalled his memory, because at that time he was in my team of CP lecturers. Then international recognition. Further, there is Institute of Professional Accountants of UK. Reciprocal arrangement is there. They provide. I want to show their link also. It is. IP England has signed an agreement with CPA Pakistan as a reciprocal arrangement. You remember, reciprocal means you will just send your certificate and you will pay the fee and you will get it. The membership. Institute of Corporate Secretaries of Pakistan is also allowing 6 exemptions. I remember that in their old scheme they were allowing 9 exemptions, and after qualifying my CPA, I got 9 exemptions, and then I did the exam of the papers. Now the subjects are revised and they are allowing 6 exemption to CPA Pakistan members. I am also the fellow member of the Institute of Corporate Secretaries of Pakistan at present, because immediately after qualifying my CPA exam, I applied exemptions for ICSP and I did that exam and I went to Pakistan to do that. And once they conducted the exam here, and being a member, being a fellow member, I was the examiner of their program also in UAE. So due to dual membership, I also giving suggestion to some other institutes also to introduce their programs, and I also gave my suggestion that there are many CPA members, if they want to improve their qualification and they want to get further qualification, you should provide at least the examination facility. I am ready to conduct their exam, to provide facility, being an educationist, because my profession is education, spread education. So, regarding my own personality, I want to share one information. When I sent an email, I wrote all my designations and I show all my qualifications. One person, he wrote an email that you are increasing your qualifications like a hell. What is your objective of life? He sent an email to me. I said, thank you very much for your email and the words which you wrote. And I said that my ambition is to get knowledge, give knowledge, and to spread knowledge. Because this is the saying of our Prophet, Ana Madinatul Ilm wa Aliyun Babuha. So, my objective is spread the education, to get new ideas, to learn. And I am also still in the process of my study, as I mentioned to you, doing my Masters of Philosophy in Finance. The ICSP link I will also open for you, though this is the same picture, but I want to show you. I cropped it. Actually, I cropped that picture for my presentation. This is the original website, CPA. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 papers. There are total 13 papers of Institute of Corporate Secretaries of Pakistan, 6 exemptions. And one thing which I want to mention here, you will send your course completion certificate and you will get the exemption. That will be. There are some international recognitions, and before winding up my presentation, I just want to show something. Could you please open this one? So, this package is for you, this brochure and all study material. And just want to. The details. It is just a brief idea which I have given to you in a condensed format. But in detail, this all are with you, whatever the package is on your seat, and this is for you, you can take with you. On page number 4 and 5, the message of the President and the history of CPA in detail, if you want to read it, for your kind reading and for your perusal. Then, on page number 6 and 7, the vision, mission and objectives vision, mission and objectives of the institute in detail. I'll just give you a brief idea, because my objective was to cover all these things, all these aspects of this qualification. Then on page number 8 and 9, the recent developments are memorandum signed with Afaq Islamic Insurance, and Islamic CPA is also under consideration, which will be launched by Afaq Finance with the collaboration of Institute of Certified Public Accountants of Pakistan.